Apparently, my DoorDash got delivered to the wrong house.
So not successful.
And Patrick is eating my Oreos.
I'm eating Oreos too.
Dude! What the fuck?
We didn't eat your snickerdoodles yet, though.
No, get the fuck out of here. Okay, Jesus Christ. Y'all are fiending right now.
Were you gonna eat all these
Dude,
on your own?
I was gonna drink that! Bro, all of you guys are...
I never had the cherry one.
Yes, Chris can tax me because we just went back to my house to get an SD card. Okay. So first, we are taking this crash bar off. Oh, sorry.
OEM bumper. This is the actual front bumper.
True, since the actual bumper is just plastic.
That's
but
not
this
even
is
a
the
bumper. That's just a cover.
Yeah, pretty much. Somebody hold what?
This.
Okay.
Somebody hold the cover.
It wasn't.
Instruction time.
Instruction time.
Instruction time.
So we just drilled a hole in this bracket, and according to the instructions, we're not even close to getting the front bumper on.
We got like 7 more pages to go through.
Oh my god. But we're getting there slowly but surely. Okay, so we are cutting the front bumper as it says to do on the instructions, and if we go back here, somehow Chris and Joseph are not back, but we are going to cut some of the bumpers. So, yeah. We're gonna miss this lower half of the bumper. Oh well. Anyways.
Oh
Patrick!
Grab that side.
Y'all keep knocking shit over.
Don't. Alright.
What took y'all so long? Okay. I've gotten you some tape. Is that what you need?
Let's drop it.
Alright.
It's going right here.
No
It's
way.
going right here. It's going up to your, towards your hand right now. I wouldn't put your hand.
Oh, he's
Oh, what the?
right. Wait, where?
Just ran.
So apparently there's a mouse in the engine bay.
Oh fuck.
I just saw him. He was like right there.
That's not good. Should I just
Oh.
turn the car on?
You cook him alive.
Should I just turn
Cook
the
him
car on?
alive.
And you don't want it.
Yeah. Oh, I can feel this breeze of air hitting my face. You're gonna.
Is it in December?
Enjoying your lawnmower?
In New York, I'm Millie Rock.
Well, it is that time of day, and we are cutting the front bumper cover so that it mounts to the Xterra in the garage. Smells like burning plastic, but yeah. We got the Roush in from last night, which is going to be in the last video because the bolts that we got were way too long that came with the car. And every hardware store within a few mile radius was closed. So, this is kind of what we got going on here. If you can see that. Front bumper's been taken off so that we can put the new bumper on, which is back here. All of our stuff from last night. But yeah. This is going to look really nice once it's on. Got the test fit on. Looks good so far. So, by my understanding, we're going to cut holes into the grill. Where did it go? Oh, hold on. Let me check up my ass real quick. Anyways. So.
We're not cutting holes in it.
Oh, so we're not going to cut holes in the grill, but I think once we get the grill back on and we do some more cutting throughout here, we should be able to mount the front bumper. So, yeah, more on that later. So Patrick is getting the bumper mounts onto the Xterra now, is that right?
Yep.
So, we've got one that goes there, and then I'm assuming another one goes on the opposite side so we could finally fit that behemoth of a bumper onto the car. Really gonna enhance the look, right, Ryan? Great. Join the party.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Speed gay.
One side has been done.
Not
All
done.
secure.
It's on.
It's getting there. I mean, it's on, but yeah, we're getting there. And then you took apart your side. Yeah, pretty much. What are we doing, Fred?
Drilling it out.
Oh, I see. So we are nearing the finish line to getting these mounts on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, getting there. Alright, what you need me to do?
Hold it. Push it in.
Like in. Sorry. Trying to get more comfortable because I'll be here for a while.
Ah, fuck!
Okay. All right. Now,
Ryan, where's your bag?
Fred, what are we doing?
I am right now dry fitting the brackets again after cutting the brackets because the factory bracket was malfunctioned, and now we have fixed malfunction. And Patrick, may you please hold said bracket in place so I can put this said bracket in place. Yep. Okay. Payment.
Sweet.
Go spray it
Got
and
it?
bring it right back to me. Yeah, it's just gonna go right on and get mounted, and it's just gonna stay right where it needs to sit, anyways.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're getting there. We're nearing the finish line.
Just two. That's the bottom. Just two. It's a winch. And it just needs a rope. You have to. For a skid plate, you're probably gonna have to reach up between your skid plate.
So we just got the front bumper on. Yesterday, Patrick put this on along with the grill and the cover that's been cut to perfection so that it fits with the bumper. And you can see it is kind of misaligned. So we're gonna have to do some more. How do I put this together? Fabricating possibly, so we can actually get this flush. And then we are going to put the hitch cover right here. We just went to the hardware store and we got some hardware for the cover. So once that is done, we should be finished and the front bumper will be complete. Also, many people have seen this car on the E.R.T channel, probably almost every video, because Patrick drives me everywhere, and this is kind of like our camera car / off-roader, besides the Rally Mustang. But yeah, so here we have a Z1 off-road snorkel, so that this car could be completely underwater and suck in the air from here. Very nice inside. Nothing really to the wheels. Other than that, we have this up here, which has traffic cones and all this other stuff. Tiny little storage spot. Earned race team decals on this one. And yeah, not really much mods done to it besides a couple things on inside the engine and obviously the bumper that we just got put on. Officially putting our winch to use for the very first time. We are helping someone get stuck out of the sand. And yeah, let's film the process and see how this works. So here's Patrick. We're gonna try the recovery rope first, I guess, after we dig ourselves out here. So we'll see how that goes. Oh God. We just spit dirt all over our food. Alright, let's see. Moment of truth. Oh God. I think Patrick may or may not be stuck. Yeah, this is gonna be a long process. So we got ourselves out with the winch. So it went successful. So yeah, that is the front bumper to the Xterra. Everything works, and it was quite a successful install. And the interior is rather dirty, so I'm gonna detail it. Pine needles, everything. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more, and yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
In New York, I'm in E.R.T. Hiding in my sock.